International Conference and has published papers in various journals. Madam is a BOS and BOE member in various autonomous colleges. Now I request Madam to start this session.
In IoT, maybe some of you may be knowing little bit basics or maybe little bit advanced level also you may be knowing, but still I'm starting with a basic level. First of all, what is an IoT? Why we are required IoT? Nowadays everyone is talking about IoT, and there is a lot of career prospects also in future. That is what the present trend is going on, isn't it? So first of all, to know what is IoT, can I know, is there any devices here in this room which can connect with the internet? Yes. One is, all of you is having a mobile phone. Mobile phones. Anything else? Computer system is there. Computer system is there. Anything else? Presently, maybe in this room, maybe this much. If you have an advanced smart AC, that also may be connected. We don't know whether it is a smart AC or not. Maybe some of you may be having tabs, isn't it? So IoT is all about the devices which can connect to internet. Not only just devices which connect to internet. It has to collect the data. Collect the data. What data? Depending on your application, it has to collect the data and share the data. Okay, the devices which can connect to internet, and just connecting is not enough. Why you are connecting to internet? To collect some info. Processing means mainly their analysis is done on the data what you have collected. So that analysis is related to data analyst part. So you should be good at data analysis, or at least basic things you have to know. So these are all the interdisciplinary things. So you should be good at designing some electronic devices. Like sensors. Using sensors, you should be able to do a project. Then maybe you have to collect the data. Networking you should be good. Then analysis you have to do. So data analysis you should know all these things. So it can be done at a very small level, or it can be done at a very higher level. For example, I want to do this IoT implementation just for this particular room. So mainly just I want to make the room cool. If one particular temperature I want to make, then it is at a lower level. No, I want to do it for a very bigger level, for a smart city. Nowadays they are calling. City means so many things are there. You need to collect so many things. You want to check the pollution, traffic. The future trends and innovations in IoT. So first of all, we start with the basic level. Afterwards, we'll see what is the future trend. Processing means mainly their analysis is done on the data what you have collected. So that analysis is related to data analyst part. So you should be good at data analysis, or at least basic things you have to know. So these are all the interdisciplinary things. So you should be good at designing a which can connect with the internet. Yes. One is, all of you is having a mobile phone. Mobile phones. Anything else? Computer system is there. Computer system is there. Anything else? Presently, maybe in this room, maybe this much. If you have an advanced smart AC, this IoT implementation just for this particular room. So mainly just I want to make the room cool. If one particular temperature I want to make, then it is at a lower level. No, I want to do it for a very bigger level, for a smart city. Nowadays they are calling. City means so many things are there. You need to collect so many things. You want to check the pollution, traffic, so many are involved. Then it is not at a local level, it is not possible. You have to go to the cloud computing and all. So which is a big data analysis, cloud computing, all these things will be involved. Then you are going for a project. So there are two types of projects involved in IoT. Whether you are doing the type smart refrigerators, you will get smart ACs. Now we are using the old versions. In future we will get that. That means those devices are also connecting us. See, without human intervention, they can communicate themselves. That is IoT. You need not involve. Just everything is built in programming and all. They can communicate with internet, and they can process the data, and what process and all you need to understand depends on the application. We will see some of the applications and areas. So that is called as IoT. So sensors. We'll see about that also if time is permits us, what type of sensors we have and all those things. So sensors and actuators are used for collection of data. So this collected data will be shared through the internet. So examples, we can have mobile phones maybe, one of the IoT device, your computer, smart watches, all these things becomes the devices in that. So here, things you are calling things IoT, Internet of Things. Things means we are talking about particularly devices which can collect the